Hi students, welcome to Unit 10. This unit we're going to focus on creating 3D objects in Illustrator, extruding and revolving, manipulating surface shading and lighting to create something that looks very 2D to something that looks very 3D. That will be your exercise portion. Then we begin our very last and final project 4, which is the package design. For the instructions, I have you working through and completing the Unit 10 exercise. The Unit 10 exercise has a link right here, and then you will open that, follow along, and then submit your final completed work to the Unit 10 exercise submission link. Project 4 package design project. You will be completing a package design. I do provide a die line for you. One of the things about this die line is that it is an unwrapped, I think it's a gum package that has been taken apart and it has been traced. So the meaning of this is that you would place this into Illustrator on a layer and you would lock it. And then you would create a new layer, because now that you know how to use layers and work with shapes in Illustrator, you can now design your own package over the top of this. And then for extra credit, you would print that out and assemble it. Of course, you'd have to trim it. If anybody wants to use the lab time to trim out their package, come into Central Campus. I have a lab just for that with a trimming area. Just let me know if that's something you feel like you want to do, or if you can do it at home, that works too. Take a picture of it. You get up to 25 extra credit points just for doing that. However, Project 4, the only requirements is that you design over that die line. That is the requirement for the project. Here are some examples of other projects that students have done. Someone went and did a different gum package, Brain Burst. Of course, they have some interesting things. They even included a legend. The legend shows that the dotted lines would be the fold line, the straight line would be the cutout, the trim line. You don't see the dotted lines where one might fold because they designed over the top, which is really essential. Of course, this would be trimmed out so that someone can actually fold this around and put it in the slot like a regular gum package. Get real clever with the design of this. You can have fun and do something that's maybe, who knows, like a prank or something like that. Have fun with the design. You want to post your initial ideas to the forum as normal, as the normal way that we do it at the beginning of any industry standard project. And then, of course, your exercise goes here. I'm also going to show you one last project for that assembled. That would be the extra credit. The Project 4 example assembled. A student did this. They found this package design or the die line for this particular package. Again, you can use the one that I've given you, that particular die line, which is here for the template. Again, you would place that into Illustrator on a layer, lock it, and design over the top. And then when you're done, you have 2 to 3 weeks to work on this. It is due no later than May 4th, Friday. I cannot accept any work past that date. I've given you the website, the die line. This is a great resource for any and all things die line. Die line would be, the actual design, the actual template for which you would design a package. Oh, come on, cookies. But anyway, here we've got a lot of different great inspiration, some things that you can look at to help you feel inspired. You could do anything from like a wine label to a soap label. So take a look and have fun choosing what you want to design for this project. I would do something small enough that it would fit on an 8.5 by 11, just in case you do want to do the extra credit and have it printed. It can be anything from, Yukio is the new favorite aesthetically pleasing matcha brand. So you've got lots of interesting things that you can use to help you create this project. You could do a new butter package. You can just do something that sticks around soy sauce, a label. Of course, you want to maybe go and measure that, what it might look like at flat, so that you can design that. You would want to include the nutritional information as well, and you can have fun with that. So go to this website, have fun, look at some of the things that you can find, and then from there you can start your ideas and posting your ideas to the message board for a response. Have a very productive unit and get a hold of me if you have any questions.